Finally got me, fellas. Almost 2 years, managed to escape it. My wife came home from work with it on the Thursday/Friday. Monday morning I was fine. Tuesday morning, lateral flow tested positive, so I'm in isolation till next Monday at least. Forgive the noise outside, wife pressure washing. So I've got a parcel there, love brewing. I'll open it up, see what's in there. And plans for the year. Happy New Year, not seen you fellas ever. Last thing was the challenge. Did some videos, didn't do them all. Didn't review mine or Big John's, but I think Liam's was the overall winner, for me anyway. Actually, not sure what lads thought, but anyway, here you go. So we'll open this. First video for ages. Wife decided to clean the patio. About right. Let's get it opened. So this shop, Love Brewing, Chesterfield, UK. Highly recommended by my good friend Mr. DTS. So I've got into your bubble wrap anyway. Okay, so I've got there's a liquid malt extract. For the kits I bought, I think it's 1.2 kilograms, and I think it's pretty sure they're £5.50 or something like that. Really good price. Got 4 of those. So, yep, there's 4 of those. A couple of Mangrove Jacks, I'm 84 yeast, Bohemian Lager strain. So ferment them quite low. It's between 10 and 15 Celsius. So I've got the fermentation fridge, but the garage at the moment is cool enough. I can make a lager in the garage with a heat belt, just in case it drops too much. But yeah, good option. So 2 of those. Very well wrapped, I must say. There we go. It's a Cooper's kit. And I've lost my knife. Two Cooper's kits. I've not done the Cooper's kits for ages, so recently I've just been really fancying lagers and refreshing drinks. So what's this one? So Cooper's European Lager. When I first did this years ago, there was a proper lager yeast in there. Not sure if it is now. Not sure, but we'll see. So I've got 2 of those anyway. And the 86 Days Pilsner. So I also bought some hops. Some Tettnanger hops, so I'm going to use them. Get some brews on and get them drunk. That's the other 86 Days Pills. And I may do one with just plain sugar, one with malt extract and hops, and just see a difference in the quality of the kit. That's it. Plenty of packing. Sometimes I like to have a look in these boxes. Sometimes they give you a free gift, don't they? Like a coaster or something. Can't say anything. Maybe next time, eh? There we go. Let's have a look. Snip that. Snip one. So very well wrapped from Love Brewing, and they're really really keen prices. I'll put all this link down to the shop after. Brewing yeast, 7 grams. Now for me, 7 grams, it's not enough at a lager temp, is it? I'm not even sure it's a lager yeast. We'll open the 86 Days Pilsner one and see what that one is. I'm pretty sure it's similar, if not the same. coopers there. Different again. One thing off. That one's the Thomas Cooper's yeast. I was in the impression, I was under the impression that the Thomas Cooper yeast was better than the original yeast, but I'm pretty sure that was a different type of yeast. Correct me if you remember, fellas. It's been a while since I've done the Coopers, but I'm pretty sure the yeast was different. Glasses are out. Instructions, okay, just ripped off the front of the pack. It says add yeast between 21 and 24 degrees Celsius and allow to drop. Leave brew to ferment 13 to 15 Celsius. So that's good. There's a lager temp. To start, 2 of those packs would have been better. I probably can double up off the other kit and then recultivate the yeast, which I probably will do that. So I was going to show my plans. Let's get a beer first. This is a Dunkelweizen from DTS 1953. 4.9% ABV, bottled on 12th of the 7th, 21. So some good age on it. And it's been back at the fridge, so nice pop. Can on smoke. Carbonation looks really good for a wheat. Let's have a look. It's a beauty. Look at that baby. It's my Norwegian wheat beer glass from Flam, the area of Norway. Cheers, and cheers David. Ooh. The malts on there, dark malts definitely, and faint hop aroma, so cheers. Really good. Tell you what, caramel notes on there, superb. Bit of swirl, get some yeasty in there. Not sure what recipe it is, but I think these wheat beer, dark wheat Dunkelweizen is Munich, isn't it? Wheat malts, is there some crystal caramel in there, something like that. It's really, really nice drink. So yeah, not been doing much brewing, to be honest. So yeah, so some Cooper's kits, get back into it. I don't want to spend 5 and 6 hours at the moment, just can't be bothered. So yeah, and the kegs, get them filled up. And what we'll do from the Cooper's bottles, I'll actually bottle perhaps 5 or 6 and condition them. Send a couple out perhaps and see how they differ, the 86 days Pilsner and the European lager. And I did look on the 86 days Pilsner, and that's a similar fermentation to the European one, so yeah, should be really good results. So use the malt extract, put some hops in there, hop tea, something like that, dry hop, and yeah, so that's it. So wish you all happy, healthy New Year, fellas. Cheers.